to reality.
Sleep is great, but waking up is better, because that's where all the love starts. Introducing One Clock, the world's first waking clock. One Clock is not an alarm clock. We don't believe in alarms. We researched the best tones, tempos, and frequencies to wake you up. Then we worked with Grammy-winning musicians to create songs that lift you out of sleep in a peaceful, more natural way. Most alarms trigger a spike in blood pressure and heart rate, which affects your nervous system, your mood, and ultimately your day. One Clock's unique compositions are designed to wake you gently, gradually, and reliably. We set out to design a waking clock grounded in sonic science that's as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. Our AI composer remixes One Clock's music daily so that you never hear the same sounds twice. Ever. No Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, no mobile app, no connectivity, period. One Clock. Wake up better.